Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to automatically translate live captions in Google Chrome on your Mac and Windows PC. Google Chrome includes a powerful live caption feature that can automatically generate captions for audio and video playing in your browser. Even better, Chrome now allows you to translate those live captions into your preferred language, thereby making it easier to understand videos, meetings, podcasts, and other spoken content from around the world. So, whether you use a macOS device or Windows PC, this feature can be incredibly useful for accessibility, learning new languages, or following foreign language content in real time. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Google Chrome app on your device, and then you have to hit the triple dot icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. Then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the settings option in the menu. After that, you have to choose the accessibility option in the left sidebar. And finally, you have to enable the toggle located right next to Live Translate. After that, make sure to choose the preferred language for Live Translate using the drop-down menu. And that's all there is to it. From now onward, Google Chrome will automatically translate live captions for you. Automatically translating live captions in Google Chrome is a smart way to make online content easier to understand and more accessible. Once enabled, Chrome can instantly display translated captions while audio plays, helping you enjoy videos and conversations without language barriers. So whether you use a Mac or Windows PC, the setup only takes a few moments. If you regularly watch international content or need extra language support, this Chrome feature is definitely worth using. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it, and I'll catch you up in the next one.